Let's do these calculations faster than the calculator in seconds. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the product of two numbers very fast, faster than the calculator and in seconds. This method is known as base method. Now base here means 10 or the multiples of 10 like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. This method in Vedic mathematics is known as Nikhilam. So let's start. Let's multiply 12 by 14. You must be laughing. It is so easy. Anybody can do it. I agree, it is easy. But I have purposely taken a small number so that first we understand the concept. Later on, we can do multiplication of bigger numbers. So let's get started.
Now let's first take up multiplication of 12 with 14. I know this is very simple, but I have purposely taken this so that we properly understand the concept. Now this is having base 10. Now 12 is more than the base. How much more than the base? It is 2 more than the base. So we write plus 2 over here. And 14 is 4 more than the base. Now what we have to do is multiply these two excess numbers with each other. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And for this side we have to cross addition has to be done. Either we add 4 to 12 or we add 2 to 14. The result will be the same. It will be 16. Either way you add. So you get 16 over here. And that's all. 168. This is your answer. See how simple it is. Now let's take base 100. Supposing we have to multiply 105 with 107. Now 105 is 5 more than 100 and 107 is 7 more than 100. When we multiply 7 by 5, that is the excess terms, we get 35. And for left hand side, we have to do cross addition. Either add 7 to 105 or you add 5 to 107. It will be the same. And what will it be? It will be 112. And this is our answer. How simple is it? You can do it faster than the calculator. Now let's take a bigger number. Let's take a number with the base 10,000. Base. Now let's take a number 10,487. I'm just taking random numbers. And 10,002. Let's multiply this. Now 10,487, it has 487 more than the base, and 10,002 is 2 more than the base. So when we multiply two excess terms, we get 974. And when we cross add. For left hand side, we either have to add 2 to 10,487 or we have to add 487 to 10,002. The result will be the same, and it is 10,489. But let me tell you, the number of digits on the right side should always be equal to the number of zeros in the base. Here we had 2 zeros in the base and we had 2 digits, so it was okay. Here we have 1 zero in the base and 1 digit, so this was okay. But here we have 4 zeros in the base but only 3 digits here, so we add 1 0 over here. Now this is your answer, 104890974. This is your answer. See how fast we can do such even big numbers. So here we have learned how to multiply the numbers which are nearer to the base and bigger than the base. So in our next video, we will learn how to multiply the numbers which are near the base but are smaller than the base.
If you got something to learn, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. Also leave the comment down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Soon I'm coming up with the next video in which we will learn how to multiply two numbers which are near to the base and smaller than the base. Till then, bye bye.